Perfect. Let's go through the process of changing the VS Code default terminal from whatever it is to Git Bash. This is only for the students who are using Windows operating system. If you're using Mac, you're good. Your terminal usually is Bash or ZSH, which is perfectly fine. You don't need to change anything. So what I'm going to do, first I'm going to open my Visual Studio Code, and let me close this one. So if I go to View, then if I choose the terminal, one to the last, you see it will open the command prompt or PowerShell by default on Windows. Depends on your setting, you will have different terminals. But these are not the terminals we like to have and work with our Python course. So what we need to have, first of all, let me go outside of this terminal using exit command. I will close this welcome message as well. Then I will go to View, then Command Plate. If you are using Windows, you can press Ctrl-Shift-P. So I will keep my mouse pointer here, so you will have time to find this. From View, Command Plate. The shortcut is Ctrl-Shift-P. Let's click here. You may see that in my history of the recently used command, but the thing is that you need to write here terminal column, select the default, so default profile. When I click on this, you'll see a new set of functionalities and options will be showing to me. I have these available options: command prompt, Git Bash, PowerShell, JavaScript debugging terminal, and Windows PowerShell, which is, I think, should be similar to the PowerShell we have here. But none of them are the interest of this course, but the only Git Bash. So select Git Bash. It should fix the terminal after this circle, the blue circle goes away. So if I go to my view and terminal, one to the last again, I should see the Git Bash. Yes, correct. But if you don't see that, let me exit from this terminal. If you don't see the Git Bash, close the Visual Studio Code, open the Visual Studio Code again. Now, for sure, your changes should take place. So to confirm, let's go to the terminal, and as you can see, if I do echo $shell, I should see user bin bash. Perfect. That was it. How to change the default terminal from the Windows command prompt or PowerShell to the Git Bash. See you guys inside our lab.